wabarakatuh.
Today we're going to show how to make dragon juice.
Before we start, let me introduce myself and my friends. My name is Aulin Rahmat.
My name is Aska Gumesha.
My name is Lisa Zakira.
My name is Faiza Tunendua.
My name is Amel Zarella.
My name is Teguh Raihan.
So
Jalan.
Equipment for making dragon juice, you have glass,
Your blender.
Take gloves.
Knife.
Spoon.
ingredient for making dragon juice, dragon fruit,
Sugar.
Yogurt.
Ice cube.
Water.
First, cut the dragon fruit into small round squares.
Prepare the blender. Put the dragon fruit into the blender.
Add the sugar into the blender.
Then egg yogurt.
Add enough water.
Run on the blender until smooth.
Add the ice into the glass. The last one, put the juice into the glass.